Do you want to learn how to crack passwords as a beginner ethical hacker? If yes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll introduce you to the top 5 password hacking tools that are perfect for beginners. But that's not all. Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal what I think is the best tool among them and compare their features to help you decide which one is the easiest and most effective for your needs. So let's dive straight in and get started. First on the list is Hydra, a fast and flexible network login cracker. It's designed to test login credentials for various protocols like SSH, FTP, HTTP, and many others. What makes Hydra great for beginners is its simple command line interface and the speed at which it works. For instance, if you want to test the security of a login page, Hydra can automate the process efficiently, making it a must-have tool for ethical hackers. Next up is John the Ripper, a legendary name in the password cracking world. This tool is highly versatile and works on multiple platforms like Windows, macOS, and Linux. The standout feature of John the Ripper is its ability to automatically detect and crack various types of password hashes. It's particularly useful if you're dealing with encrypted password files and want to see how secure they really are. Compared to Hydra, John the Ripper is more focused on cracking offline hashes rather than active network protocols. Now, let's talk about Hashcat, a GPU-based password cracking tool. What does that mean? It means it uses the power of your graphics card to crack passwords at lightning speed. Hashcat supports a wide range of hashing algorithms, from MD5 to bcrypt, making it incredibly versatile. While it's slightly more advanced than Hydra and John the Ripper, its speed and power make it an excellent choice for anyone willing to take their skills to the next level. If Hydra is about speed in network attacks, and John is about offline cracking, Hashcat combines both power and flexibility. Moving on to Cain Abel, a Windows-based password recovery tool that's beginner-friendly and packed with features. Unlike the previous tools, Cain Abel has a graphical interface, so you don't need to rely solely on the command line. It's perfect for recovering passwords, cracking hashes, and even sniffing network traffic. If you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use tool on Windows, Cain Abel might just be your new best friend. However, it lacks the multi-platform flexibility of tools like John the Ripper. Finally, we have Medusa, a parallel and modular brute-forcing tool. Medusa is similar to Hydra in its approach, but focuses on speed and efficiency. It supports multiple services like FTP, Telnet, SSH, and HTTP. Medusa is especially useful for testing multiple credentials across various services simultaneously, making it a valuable tool for network security assessments. For beginners, Medusa's ease of use and comprehensive documentation make it a strong contender. So which tool is the best? If you're just getting started and want a simple yet powerful tool, Hydra is the go-to choice for network-based attacks. For offline password cracking and hash testing, John the Ripper is the most beginner-friendly. If you're looking for raw power and speed, Hashcat is unbeatable, but may require a bit more effort to learn. Cain Abel is great if you prefer a graphical interface, and Medusa is ideal for those who value speed and flexibility in network brute forcing. Ultimately, the best tool depends on what you want to achieve as an ethical hacker. The key is to practice in a controlled and legal environment to improve your skills. Let me know in the comments which tool you'd pick, or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more ethical hacking tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.